Good morning, everyone, and happy Sunday. In this video, I want to share with you one of the secrets of the rich that if you practice it, it will make you wealthy and to make you to become rich. Reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of things are happening. Because I teach people how to make money online and offline, people think making money is as easy as ABC. Yes, it is. But there are some things that you need to know and some things that you need to do. One of those things are part of the secrets of the rich people. And what is this secret? The rich and wealthy people, they do what they hate in order to get what they love. The rich and wealthy people, they do what they hate in order to get what they love or what they like. And I'm going to give you 1, 2, or 3 examples as they come to my mind. Number one thing, think of any rich man in the world and think of what they do. Most rich people are in the Forbes magazine, they are in the public glare. But do you think they really love to be in the public eye? No. Most rich people want to maintain their privacy. But they have to be in the public glare because of the responsibility that they hold. Take, for example, the owner of a particular company, like the richest man in Africa for many years now, Aliko Dangote. You see him, is easy, simple, and easygoing. He started with buying and selling. After, according to what we're told, he got some money from his uncle, Dan Tata, and then he started. When he started, it was not in the public glare. When he started, maybe he just loved doing his thing by himself, sending it and bringing it back. But along the line, everything began to expand. And he needed to start meeting people. Some of these rich people, they do not like going public, meeting people, all those kind of things. But because they are into business, they need to do that. I've seen people that come to me and say they want to make money, but they don't like anything that involves them going to meet people and telling them this is what I'm selling, come and buy this or come and buy that. They don't like it. They don't like being the public glare. I make YouTube videos. I'm a shy individual too. I'm very shy. I like maintaining my private life and maintaining my privacy. But because I need to make these videos, and sometimes I see that the videos are moving, so I need to make more. I need to leave my shyness apart. In fact, on my WhatsApp status now, I share links of my videos on WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp status or thereabout. I have activated a particular setting on WhatsApp that will not allow me to know who watch it or who don't watch it. Sometimes you see who watch it, and that makes me so this person is seeing my video. Oh, I don't want this person to see it. Then that will minimize your sending it. So what I do is I don't know who watch, I don't know who does not watch. I just post. And anybody that want to watch will watch. Anybody that don't want to watch will not watch. So, but some poor people, they will say, I don't like public glare. They will not see me that I'm selling something. I go to market where they buy cheap things. You buy things. The rich people do these things. They are not ashamed of labor. I've seen people that said, when I do this kind of work, and that is the work they learn to. That is the work they spent 3-4 years they learned. They got freed. They got certificate on the work. They have done it before. They have shop, have established before. All of a sudden they say, when I'm doing the work, my leg is paining me. It's like somebody being a driver. And he now said, when I'm driving, my back used to pain me. Because of that, he said he's not driving again. Maybe he have another thing he's doing. Some of them don't have other things they are doing. They become liabilities on people. The rich don't do that. They do what they hate. They do what they hate so that they can get what they love, what they like. They are at it. Go and meet many professors. Go and meet many serious students. Do you think they like reading, studying to the night, every time reading? They also like to go to cinema. They also like to go to clubs. They also like to be playing around. They also like to while away the time with friends and be joking and be gisting and watching films here and there. But that student loved the first class. That student loved the second class upper. That student loved to be distinct in his studies. Based on that, he burns the midnight candle and he studies like no man business until it gets that success, until achieve that success. This is the secrets of the rich. Think about yourself. I met an individual is doing a particular kind of work, and that handwork is outdated. The handwork is outdated. I told him, this work you are doing is outdated. How many people are doing this? How many people are watching this thing you are repairing? A lot of people are watching again. I told him, go and find out what it costs to learn computer repairs and phone repairs. That is the in thing now. Everybody has a phone. They want to fix this. They want to do that. That is what you should learn instead of going to learn radionic on how to repair television. Go and learn how to repair laptop or how to repair mobile phones, Android, and other powerful phones that are in common use. And you'll be surprised. You don't even need a big shop. People will be trooping in to inquire from you. Now, many people are at a particular level. They don't want to advance. Everybody doing that trade are at that level, and they are not advancing to the next level. And because they don't advance to the next level, what happens is that they are limited. Rich people burn the midnight candle. They don't mind whether the investment is going to come back or not. They take risks. Many people don't want to take risks. What about if I do it and it doesn't work? Rich people do a lot of things that does not work. They do a lot of experimenting, and eventually some of them work, but the experiments they do are calculated. Why can't you experiment too? Why can't you try things? Why can't you get other people to join you in doing something? Why can't you try things? Experiment. Don't assume that thing will not work. Rich people don't assume that things will not work. They assume that things will work. And if it does not work, they have learned a lesson and they move on with their life. But you see many people, poor people, you tell them, go and try this. They say, they will give you an excuse immediately. Whereas you that you are telling them have done some research on it, if they can do it, they are going to break through. But they don't do it. We're going to continue in a minute. Welcome back. As I said earlier, that many wealthy and successful people have done things they dislike to achieve their ultimate goals. Now, here are 10 examples of rich people who do what they hate to get what they love. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world as of today 2025, he hates bureaucracy and meetings. He loves innovation and space exploration. What he hates, Musk has openly said he despises meetings, unnecessary bureaucracy, and slow decision making. What he does anyway, he attends long, stressful meetings, deals with regulations, and navigates corporate politics. What he loves, the reward, pushing humanity forward through Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, innovating in space travel, electric cars, and all. Number 2 individual here is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett hates public speaking. He loves investing and teaching. What he hates, Buffett once feared public speaking, so much that he avoided it at all costs. What he does anyway, he forced himself to take a public speaking course and now frequently shares investment wisdom. What he loves, the reward, growing his wealth, educating others, and building one of the greatest investment portfolios in history. Another individual is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos hates micromanaging while he loves business growth. What he hates, Bezos dislikes micromanaging employees and handling every small decision. What does he do anyway? Early on, he had to be deeply involved in Amazon's operations, from customer service to logistics. What he loves, the reward, creating Amazon, the world's biggest e-commerce empire, and becoming a billionaire. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg hates public attention. He loves building Facebook. What he hates, Zuckerberg is introverted and dislikes media attention. What he does anyway, he constantly appears in public, testifies before governments and does PR for Facebook. What he loves, the reward, running Meta, formerly Facebook, and influencing billions of people worldwide. Oprah Winfrey, she hates rejection and criticism. She loves empowering people. What she hates, Oprah struggled with rejection early in her career and hates harsh criticism. What does she do anyway? She faced rejection and public scrutiny, but kept pushing forward. You see, what she loves, the reward now, becoming a media mogul and inspiring millions globally. Number 6 individual is Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs hates compromise, but he loves perfect design. What he hates is Jobs despised making compromises on quality and design. What he does anyway, he battled teams, pushed people to their limits, and made hard decisions. What he loves, the reward, creating Apple products that revolutionized technology. Donald Trump, he hates being criticized. He loves power and business. What he hates, Trump dislikes being criticized and attacked in the media. What he does anyway, he faces intense scrutiny as a businessman and politician. What he loves, the reward, becoming a billionaire and even serving as the US president twice. Number 8 individual who does what he hates is Richard Branson. He hates sitting in offices. He loves adventure and business. What he hates, Branson doesn't like traditional office work and long meetings. What he does anyway, he still manages businesses, negotiates deals, and attends meetings. What he loves, the reward, running the Virgin Empire and enjoying extreme adventures like space travel. Bill Gates, he hates politics and regulations. He loves global impact. What Bill Gates hates, Gates dislikes dealing with government regulations and political interference. What he does anyway, he collaborates with governments and policymakers through the Gates Foundation, and this is what he hates. What he loves, the reward, fighting global diseases and making an impact in philanthropy. Number 10 person, which is the last but not the least, is Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He hates waking up early. He loves fitness and success. What he hates, he has admitted that waking up at 4 a.m. daily is tough. What he does anyway, he pushes through morning workouts and business meetings. What he loves, the reward, a top flyer, Hollywood career, peak fitness, and a successful brand. The rich don't always do what they love. They do what's necessary to get what they love. Success often requires stepping out of comfort zones, enduring discomfort, and doing hard things to reap massive reward. I hope the foregoing clarifies these great secrets. This is the question for you now. What is something you hate doing but could push through to achieve your dreams? Let's discuss it in the comment section. My name is Dr. Olubenga Adetutu, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and let me have your questions and comments in the comment section below. Also subscribe. Are you going to start doing what you hate so that you can get the reward of what you love, or you will keep giving excuses that only what you love that will not give you what you love is what you want to do? Let me know also in the comment section below. I am passionate about making you wealthy, and I bring you videos on how to make money both online and offline. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. Please go ahead and watch it. Bye for now.